Hey guys, this is the last no edit. Is this continuous focus? All right, sorry. This is the last no edit in this series, and I built a couple things. I cheated because I didn't film everything, but I kind of want to get done with it. I was kind of in a hurry. But the other thing too is kind of important. I need you guys to kind of pay attention, and that is this apron I'm wearing for no reason. I'm not doing any work right now, but it makes me feel special and cool, and I feel like I'm a leathersmith by wearing it, but there's no use for it right now. So I finished all of these. Somebody just texted me. It's still no edit, but I want to talk about each product that I have here and what we came up with. So let's bring this a little closer and we can go about the deal. You know what I mean? Let's do that so you don't see my face anymore. All right, so let me try this again. Okay, so what we have right here are these suspenders that we made. This is black English bridle, Herman Oak English bridle, black stitching, antique brass hardware. You saw the process. This is my premium Firefighter suspenders. I'll go over detail on everything here in a second. This is just a chin strap I built off camera, but I've built plenty of these. FD chin strap. This is a standard size, not the salty long inch. That goes with this order right here. This gentleman wanted that. This is the radial strap, premium radial strap. And I think that came out sharp. That was like my biggest worry. But I think that came out pretty sharp. Not perfect if you really pay attention. You guys see those videos. But this is English bridle, Herman Oak English bridle, backed with natural vegetarian. And this is the buckle system, stainless steel. Not too many people order stainless steel, but a little secret is the knuckles on these. The knuckles, I want you to pay attention. See that knuckle right there? This is a lot more stout than the solid brass. Let me grab a solid brass so I can show you the difference. So when I was on a truck, I made myself, my gear was stainless steel for that one reason alone. When it comes to the trigger snaps, it just seemed like, well, now I can't find a buckle, trigger snap. Get out of here. But look at the knuckle on this. All right. Look at the knuckle on that guy versus the knuckle on that guy. See the difference? I don't know. It's just more stout. And from what I found, this kind of wears out and it'll pop off. That's after a long use. I can easily replace that. That's why I built it this way, so I could just take this off and replace it. But look at the knuckle. I've not had one of these stainless steel pieces fail yet. So I don't know. That's a little side note there. I don't know why I went off on that little tangent there. You guys want to get annoyed with more crinkling? No, you don't want to do that. You know what? I don't want to do it. I don't want to annoy myself right now. But yeah, that's the radial strap. This is red stitching. Some people ask me what size thread I use. It's a 207 thread. And I get that from Thread Exchange. Let me grab one so I can show you. I get the size 207 thread. This is for the machine stitch, not for hand stitch. But can you see in there it says 207? Can you? Yeah, that's the thread I use. Nylon, size 207. Bonded nylon, size 207. That's the thread I use for the machine. And yeah, that's done. That came out sharp. Of course, this comes with a holster. Made out of the same leather, Herman Oak English bridle in black. All my holsters are always black because I pre-make a whole bunch. So no matter what color leather you use, it comes with a black holster. It's just a lot easier to pre-make a whole bunch in black, and that's it. But this leather stout, make sure you use really good leather when you put this together, not the belly spongy stuff. You want stuff that's closer to the spine and to the back. You don't want this piece here to be kind of loose and not strong. Same thing with this main back piece here. All right, you can get these blueprints on my website. Then this is something I do want to talk about is this truck belt that I used to make. I don't make anymore. but it is a tool belt, not a truck belt, but essentially the same thing. You cannot be hanging off a ladder with this thing, okay? Is it strong enough? Probably, but don't quote me on that. I'm telling you right now, it's not designed for that. It's designed for tools. A couple of features on this one, and then we'll go over the features on everything else. This comes with an axe loop here, okay? Axe loop, and you have a built-in D-ring here. You can hang stuff from here. The way you fasten this is really simple. This is a really heavy-duty snap, and you just quickly attach and detach. It goes on really quickly. You don't even need to grab with your fingers. You just push on that spring, and it comes out. Connects. You have a D-ring integrated into the buckle design in there. Okay, stainless steel buckle there, and this piece is just a loose piece, and it's going to prevent this section from kind of opening up. And that's it for the tool belt. So you can hang your axe there on this side, throw your axe in there, and then you can have some other attachment points for your gloves and lights and whatever it is you want. But I don't know if I'm going to offer this. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to come up with a pattern and a build along for a tool belt like this. Let me know. I'm curious. Okay. All right, that's it for the features on this one. Let's go over the features on the suspenders, because I don't really go over that too often. And the biggest question I get, 100%, is what in the world are these for? These loops right here. Those are called thumb loops, and let me show you what that looks like. It's for brownie points and looking really cool, right? Throw this on. You know, a lot of guys do this with their suspenders, right? They'll push out and they let their hands rest like that. But this, you throw your thumbs in there and you can just literally relax your arms and it'll hold it. So thumb loops, is it functional for any kind of firefighter related stuff? Absolutely not. Does it make you look really, really cool and makes you look like you know what you're doing and they go to you to get things done? Absolutely. Because check out this look, newbie look, non-thumb loop look. Versus notice how the bicep starts to pump. I'm not doing it. It's the fact that my thumbs are in here and I look really good. It's making my bicep pump. It's actually growing right now. I have to be careful because it's going to outgrow the shirt. So that's what it is, thumb loops. And the way they're attached, that was so dumb. I wasted your time. It's just a thumb screw. I mean, a Chicago screw, so they can undo that if they want to and not have it. Yeah, that's what that's for. The other thing about my suspenders, the D-rings, I make all my suspenders with D-rings, and what I do is based on the order and what kind of attachment system they have on their bunker pants, I then attach whatever is required or necessary to attach to their bunker pants on these D-rings. So it's very universal. You'll notice that when I go over how to build these. So they all build like this, and I just attach whatever they want. Those attachments come in black also only, because I could pre-make a whole bunch. Makes sense. The radio strap, there's nothing really to go over. The only thing is I use a vertical lapel mic because, to be honest with you, it's out of pure laziness. I don't want to have to like punch a hole here, go around. This is a lot easier, and just pure laziness and efficiency, I make them that way. Most mics, you can turn the clip horizontal, so you can throw it in there. But that's that. You could make a horizontal, I'm just not a big fan, waste time. These are my cord keepers, and I use the same thing. This is the same die that I use for my belt keeps down here. All right, as you can see, it's just a belt keep, all right? And the reason why I designed it like this is because, once again, I don't feel like creating a belt loop. That takes too much time. This is easy. You just screw in that button head screw, and it's done. And I like this design because it doesn't break. The snaps, I'm not a big fan of snaps. You guys know that. But essentially, this is a cord keeper, and a lot of guys just put a horizontal loop here, and then you have to DC the mic, the cord from the lapel mic, just to weave it through there and then reattach it again. With this one, you don't have to do that. You can just undo this, run your cord around, and then wrap it over the cord and cinch it down again. That's why I did that. So, yeah. That's all I got. Thank you for watching my builds. That's all I got for you. God bless you. Enjoy the ridiculous outro if I decide to do one while I edit the video. Bye.